In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a placeholder to a slide layout. This is a great way to customize your presentation, ensuring it fits your needs seamlessly, and it's easier than you might think. First, let's head over to the left thumbnail pane of your presentation. This is where all your slide layouts are conveniently displayed, giving you an overview of what your presentation looks like from start to finish. By clicking on the specific slide layout where you want to add your placeholder, you're effectively setting the stage for your customization. Take a moment to identify the right slide to which you want to apply these changes. Finding it is like picking the perfect canvas for your art. Once you've clicked on your chosen slide layout, turn your attention to the menu ribbons, where all the magic happens. Look for the View tab, which is your gateway to all things related to how your presentation looks and is structured. Once you're there, select Theme Builder. This option allows you to modify the overall structure and design of your slides. The Theme Builder is essentially your toolbox, outfitted with everything you need to customize the foundational elements of your presentation, such as placing, organizing, and styling your placeholders. Now, from within the Theme Builder tools, you'll want to find the Insert Placeholder button. Clicking this will present you with several choices, essentially asking you, what kind of content do you want in this placeholder? You'll have options that may include placeholders for text, pictures, charts, tables, or even media like videos and music. It's important that you select the type that best suits the data you wish to convey. For example, choosing a text placeholder sets the stage for detailed information, whereas picture placeholders are ideal for visuals that support your message. Once you've decided on the placeholder type, simply click to add it to your slide layout. Placing placeholders thoughtfully can enhance the user experience when viewing your presentation, leading to a more engaging and informative experience for your audience. Remember to position your placeholder where it best suits your overall slide design. Far too often, a misplaced placeholder can distract more than it contributes. As a final tip, consider the overall flow of your presentation. The placeholders you add should blend seamlessly with your slide layout and theme. Spend a little time experimenting with positioning and size to find that perfect balance that complements your design while still keeping functionality at the forefront. Before concluding, double-check to make sure everything is aligned and formatted correctly. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to add placeholders to your slide layout, setting the stage for presentations that are both professional and tailored to your needs. Happy creating, and I hope these tips elevate your next presentation to a whole new level.